You look like a glazed donut. See, I'm just bing. Look at the lip. Look at the highlight. Look at it at the same time. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup. I can't wait, y'all. Check it out. The Colourpop Barbie collection. I did get a highlighter palette and I did get a lip set. I can't wait to get all into these cuties. Y'all, I got so much to say. I got so much to say about it. But before I jump all the way into it, you guys already know the deal. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. All right, y'all, let's get right on into this collection. All right, y'all, so you already know I'm talking about this packaging. You guys should already know where this is going. So to start off with the Colourpop Malibu Barbie palette. Oh, she's so cute. This palette is pressed powders. Of course, Colourpop loves their pressed powders. So on the front, we do have the Barbie sunset. It's like a Malibu Barbie. It's so freaking cute. And then on the back, we do have the cute little hearts. See the little hearts with the little names? It's really, really cute. I love it. They're kind of like pop out. They kind of have that sheen, that shine to it. You guys can't see, but it has like a little glossy finish to it. Kind of like a pop-up a little bit, just a little bit. So at the top does say Malibu Barbie collab. And then we have, of course, all the gorgeous colors. Ooh, look at those colors. The colors are so, so pretty. Also, too, guys, this packaging is really, really nice because it does have that magnetic closure. And this does have some weight to her. I like that. I like when palettes feel a little heavy. I don't know, it's just a thing. This doesn't make it better or lesser, but I don't know. I feel like it amplifies it. It's the experience of the palette. It's just, I like that finish. I like when they do that. So next we do have the Super Shocked highlighter. This is the Beach Party from that collection. This packaging comes with this cute little box, little palm trees in the front. This is very, very cute. Very in season and time right now. It's gonna be really, really summery here in Texas. It's gonna be very hot and sizzling. I wish I was in Malibu, you know? So inside, on top of the container, it does have Barbie Colourpop right there on the front. It's cute and pinky. On the back of this, it does have the palm trees, a cute little heart that says Beach Party. I love in the back that it has that, still the logo going on with like the trees, the palm trees and everything. Of course, I love this packaging of the Super Shock shadows. I love them so much. I feel like they are good. I like how big they are. I just like that. They're so big and they give us so much because you know you only need a little bit with these Super Shock things. So it does give you a mirror at the top, of course. And then, of course, we got the beautiful shimmery color. Yes. We're going to get into her a little later. So last out of the packaging, this is going to be the cute little lip duo. Malibu Sunset. This packaging is very cute. It does have that sunset on the front of it. Kind of fitting. Very fitting to the name, you know? It does have the Barbie logo here at the top of it. It's very, very cute. Very in theme. And then inside, which again, I love when they do this with packaging. They put the little sunset in there with the clouds. I love that when they do that inside the box. Little touches just, I don't know, little things get to me. Very cute, pinky. And at the end, it shows you the color at the tip. Very, very cute. And then this is what I was excited about as well in this collection, this packaging. It's kind of like a clear transparent of this lipstick. This lipstick is Malibu Sunset too, yeah. So this is a cream finish lipstick. I couldn't wait for this packaging. I was like, this is very cute. I want to say iced over kind of packaging, has the Barbie right there at the top, the cute little heart logo, and it does again say Colourpop and it just has the Barbie on there. On the lipstick, it says Barbie imprinted here on the back, y'all. I love it. I love it so much. So this packaging already got me so excited for this whole collection. I was like, I can't wait to dabble and touch it and get into it. I can't wait to get it. So guys, this packaging got me really, really excited for what I'm about to give you guys. So what you guys already know what's about to come is this tutorial. So if you guys want this look, stay tuned. guys enjoyed the tutorial today, because I know I did. This is a very, very cute collection. We're gonna jump right back into this palette real quick. So in this cute medium-sized palette, this gives you 15 shades. And this palette does give you a good play on shimmers and mattes. And I'm gonna say this right now. So far, the palette I put on, the shimmers are hitting, y'all. The shimmers are so creamy and smooth. They're almost like a Super Shock, but they're very pigmented like their other shimmers. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. You get that shimmer impact, but then it's real soft. Especially Super Shock shadows, they are very, very pigmented, but this still stays in place. It's not too creamy or too wet. So the shimmers in this palette is really hitting, y'all. It's really hitting really, really, really good. And some of these mattes are hits, some of these mattes are misses. Let me dig deeper into these colors, all right? With the shimmers, I did use a lot of, as you guys can see, kind of like the sunset theme, but then I want a little bit of that blue in there. I like Colourpop's blues. I really do. I'm not gonna lie. Their blues are very nice. And then the mattes. Now, y'all, Best Coast, that really hot pinky pink. If you guys can tell in the tutorial, I had to build it up a couple times to get to really pop. Like, this lip is what I wanted on my eye to be so, so pinky and so vibrant, like one swatch. And it wasn't. Lipstick gave it to me, but not the color, not that shade. Then the blue that I use on the bottom is fantastic. Very, very good. And then Make Waves, that kind of nudie one. I got that one right there in Tear Duct on the bottom. Y'all, that color is very pretty. I want to use this all over my lid. It's just like a nudie kind of, like a honey beige. It's really, really pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. The orange did very well. It wasn't nothing too rah-rah. But y'all, West Coast, that yellow, two right here, the yellow and that kind of peachy, yellowy beige kind of nude, those two hit. Those are some of my favorite colors out of the palette. My other favorite color in the shimmer that is Surf's Up. This blue is gorgeous. It is blue and it has like gold shimmer in it. The other shimmer I did like a lot is Shine On, that one right here at the end, top end. So that one was very, very pretty. I feel like if you did, again, put that all over the lid just by itself, it just hold its own. It's very, very pretty. The Zuma Beach, the brown, wasn't too pigmented and I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be more impactful because I was going to put it on the top of my lid as well. But it was like, I'm going to put it at the bottom. It'll show. It blended very nicely, but I feel like at the top, I wouldn't be able to, it wouldn't overtake that hot pink, which usually browns do, and they should, but yeah. So overall, y'all, I think this palette is very, very nice. I think if you love the Barbie theme, if you love hot pink stuff and you love the Barbie vibe and like the summery Malibu Barbie kind of thing, you'll love it. I feel like the mattes they perform nicely. Most of them do. Some are hits, some are misses, you know? And then with the shimmers, I think the shimmers, you're gonna love all of them. I loved all of them. I think they're good. That light pink one right here at the top, it may be kind of a little powdery, a little crumbly a little bit, but it's still pigmented. So to me, out of this palette, the shimmers won. They beat the mattes in this palette, which is usually the other way around. That is a first for a palette for me. That was different. So the Beach Party highlighter, y'all, is very, very pretty. It's very cute. So with this color, I feel like this is a very smooth, beautiful shimmer, Super Shock shadow. It's very, very pretty. This is a very blinding highlighter. Very, very blinding, very, very glossy. I feel like it is definitely just white champagne with a little bit of bronze, like little dots. That's why it looks like, you know, kind of like cookie dough. The highlight in this is intense. You look like a glazed donut. See, I'm just bing, just shining. So anyone that wants to look like a glazed donut, you'll love it. Of course, last but not least, is the Lip Duo Malibu Sunset. Y'all, lip pencil, lover. Lipstick, lover. I love this. I love their cream lipsticks, and this one smells even more vanilla-y. It's just, it's so, like, it's Barbie. It's very much Barbie. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this lipstick and the highlighter made me feel like Barbie, like Malibu Barbie. It's very, very summery Barbie vibes. This feels just so creamy and soft, but just still pigmented. Like, you guys seen it one swipe. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. And I think the lip pencil is a very gorgeous color as well, very pigmented. I feel like this, I would like to try the other colors, but I think this is the most darker, more vibrant, hot pink one for me, or like a darker pink one that I can really rock. I feel like I can rock this lipstick even without this lip liner, but since it came in a set, I said I'll take it. If you get anything from the Malibu Barbie collection, I would say get the lippies. I just think of Barbie, I think of lipstick bullets. So, because I feel like that's the best form of lipstick in my opinion. So I feel like you get anything from the collection, get the lip duos. You'll love it. So y'all, overall, the palette, the highlighter, and the lip set is a really good. I feel like if you're a fan of Barbie, again, you'll love this. If you're a fan of any summery, beachy, hot pink kind of look, you'll love this whole vibe because it's pretty much what the whole collection is about anyway. For me, out of all the three of them, I still like the highlighter and the lippy the best. To me, the palette, the presentation of it is very pretty, very cute. But I feel like the performance is just okay. I feel like it gave me a beautiful eye, yes. But see how I'm a glazed donut? I'm sorry, I keep thinking I'm a glazed donut. Look at this highlighter. Look at that. Look at the lip. Look at the highlight. Look at it at the same time. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, I can't get over it. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also, don't forget to leave a comment below. You guys already know my mags. Which one is your favorite? Or which one did you get? Leave that in the comments below for me. And don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.